I wonder why I'm spraying this foam on my AC condenser and why I have all these tires.
This should be done
part of your AC
frequently.
Heat exchanger. Just with regular use, it builds up dust and dirt and prevents it from running efficiently. First thing we do with any powered equipment is to disconnect the power. In most places, there will be a shut-off at the point of use. Since this essentially sucks air in, we're going to take the fan off so we can get the dirt out from the inside, pushing it out instead of pushing it in. I'm just going to balance it precariously right there. I'm just going to use this foam and cleaner from Home Depot. I don't think it's as good as the commercial stuff, but it'll work. It's what I had. And we're going to spray the inside. We're going to spray the outside. Spray it everywhere. Don't be shy with it. But where there's heavy deposits, we want to make sure to soak that real good. This is something you need to do often, or at least have somebody else do.
And if you don't do this often, the buildup becomes very thick and it becomes a problem later on.
Stuff comes out here. All that dust builds up and basically insulates the heat exchanger. AC systems are heat pumps, so the condenser needs to be able to dissipate heat. With all that dust on it, it acts like a blanket. Be sure to rinse it really good. Some of these cleaners are actually corrosive, so make sure you get it all off. You can see all that dirt running off with the water there.
Yeah, so this would be a simple solution, cost-effective way. Otherwise, you're going to have to call in professional.
Reconnect the power, and there we go.
Voila.